Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to see static stress analysis of a piston crank assembly, including bonded contact, sliding contact, and hinge joint to compute deformation, stress, and hinge joint forces result from a static pressure loading condition. So let's see. So here we have taken a material for this aluminum alloy. Gravity we have excluded here. Gravity is not acting, gravity we have excluded. Then we have defined structural parts where we define pressure on that upper part of piston, and then we have defined supports at both end, fixed supports and sliding support at the other end, and sliding support at the piston top. And then we have defined the connections where contacts we have defined bonded contacts, sliding contacts, and hinge joint. Now let's see the results. We'll solve this. So start calculating. So here you can see the displacement values. Here you can see the movement, also change in movement of the piston, how much displacement will be happen. We want to see the von Mises stresses. We can check von Mises stresses on the part body. We can also check stresses. We want to check principal stresses and all, so that stresses we can calculate. So this is how we have completed the simulation.